In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Battlefield REDSEC on your PlayStation 5, even if you don't own Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you already have Battlefield 6 installed, you can actually do this directly through the game. Just go into your settings, go down to the system settings, and then go into install and uninstall. Open this up and just take on the option for Battlefield REDSEC, and you're good to go. But if you don't have Battlefield 6 installed, what you're going to want to do is actually back out to the PlayStation homepage and go into that PlayStation store. And from here, you might see Battlefield REDSEC all the way up in the very beginning, or you might just have to search for it up here. Either way, pull up Battlefield REDSEC, open it up, and then you'll be able to hit download and you are good to go. And it's going to begin installing as a standalone Battlefield REDSEC launcher. You do not need to own Battlefield 6 to play Battlefield REDSEC, which is awesome. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.